Good evening, mga kuya, mga ate, bunso, friends, Eagles, guests to be announced later. Our very own governor from Region 6, Kuya Ernst Biba. Ngayong gabi, from Region 7. Kuya, Region 5 pala. Region 5, Kuya Richard Chu. Ngayong gabi, Kuya. From Region 7, Kuya Nas Camporidondo. Kuya, ngayong gabi. Sa tinuod lang, nakuyawan si Kuya Ian sa kong gidala. I have all the Bible that I have with me right now. Pero nakita na ako medyo nakuyawan mampud ang mga kuya o ate habang nagtanaw sa kong gidala. Well, allow me to express to you the characteristic of the true eagle. This is my thoughts, my will, my bullet on how to become a good leader. Actually, we are the youngest club in Region 6. Palakpakan niyo naman. Eagles fly alone at high altitude, stay away from a narrow-minded people. Actually, this is a very meaningful characteristic of an eagle. Ito I really announce these things to my fellow eagle. Maraming mga bagay-bagay, obstacles, struggles we pass sa aming club. But to mind you, Kuya Ate, we surpass it. Eagles have vision. Pananaw namin sa aming club, we will double the numbers of members from 45 to 90 members within this year. Palakpak naman kayo. Eagles are fearless and never surrender, even to the size and strength of its prey. Ganun din kami sa aming club. Kahit sino, kahit anong problema ng ating community, we promise to be there always, to support and to give comfort to our fellow Filipino mamamayan. Eagles prepare for training. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, handa po kami tumanggap, tatanggap, at tatanggapin po namin ang mga bagay na nangyayari na nagiging successful. Eagleism, part of it is innovativeness. Sometimes we innovate, but we follow the rule. Eagles possess vitality. The strong forces of the members of our club Prestige. Maraming nagtanong, bakit Prestige? Elite pa, Prestige pa. Ito to naman po. Hindi po namin ikinahihiya. Being the member of the club in Prestige, we always Prestige. Palakpak Prestige! If you ever happen to see an eagle settling high above of 10,000 feet, the body sits still and the head will be tilted side by side to observe what is happening below, around and above it. Keen, its eyes are looking for its prey. Eagles have a keen vision. Ito na ngayon. This is our first group of new applicants na nagiging agila na. We're proud of them. Nakikita namin sila, hindi sila basta-basta na tao, mamamayan. Sila po ay parte ng mamamayan na we really invite to join with us because we love them. Does this characteristic ring the bell of your mind? I am sure it does. Look at the great leaders of this world who have just come and gone. Totoo po yun. Nangyayari din yan sa atin, dito sa ating asosasyon. Nawawala, dumadaan, nawawala. Agila talaga. There are many great leaders that came and went. But one characteristic that is common in all is vision. Vision is successful leadership characteristic. Huwag po tayong magiging blind sa mga pananaw, sa mga pangyayari. How can we fly high if we do not see the level of its feet? Every meters we fly, dapat makikita natin ang paligid. Sabi pa nga natin, an eagle will never surrender to the size or strength of its prey. It will always give a fight to win its prey and to regain its territory. Agila, hindi eagles. We are eagles. We are announced that we need to regain our territory. Maraming mga haka-haka, maraming mga sinasabi about eagles, factions. But we are very proud to say we regain our territory. Palakpak! No matter what the size of that person or what weapon they may be holding, successful leaders are fearless. They face problems head on. Hindi po natin pinapabayaan yung problema. Walang inurungang problema ang agila. When an eagle watch a storm comes, when other birds fly away from the storm, but an eagle never. The eagle take advantage of the very storm that lesser birds fear and head for cover. Challenges in life of the leader are many. These are the storms we must face as leader to rise to greater heights. Tayo po dito pantay-pantay. We are all leaders of eagles. A leader can only rise to a greater heights if he takes challenges head on without running away from it. Diba, Kuya Go? This is yet another leadership characteristic. Eagle doesn't mingle around with the pigeons. Pigeons scavenge the ground and grumble with a complaint all day long. They always keep on complaining. But we, an eagle, will never complain. Eagles are not make less noise, waiting for the opportunities to strike the next prey. If the current storm will come, we always face on it. Gaya na nangyari sa atin, mga kababayan natin sa Davao de Oro, Region 6 are there. We give them support, moral support, pagkain, and of course, nafe-feel nila they are part of us. A true leader spends time with people who are vibrant and liberal in thinking. Tayo yun. Who can be with people who can think and make informed decisions and take actions. Wag lang palaging salita. We should take actions every time. These are the people who are bearing and bring changes to the society. They are lively and active people. Go out and look for them. Kaya nang sinabi ko ng mga bago nating kasama sa Prestige, sabi ko, mga kuya, ate, bring your best friend to become our next applicants. Can we do it? Bakit ang hina? Can we do it? Yes! Okay, thank you. I will not take long kasi parang kalahati pa lang. salamat for the support of everyone, most especially to the Region 6 club members. Maraming salamat po to our very own Governor, Kuya Ertz Viva.